Hi again. Here we are with another limestone project. This limestone is uh, Tahoe. They call Tahoe. Is from Egypt. It's like a blue. Here we used to start the project. The Galala limestone Tinsel setting. We have here 8,000 square foot of driveway coming from up to down. And like you say, we start on the top. Make a square, very important, guys. When you do this project, the square is very important. We have a square from the back of the house and as long as the garage line. I will show you how tight and beautiful we make the cut over there. This is me there on the middle. Try to do, we did the drain, right there is the drain because that guys had the problem with the water like you see here, the old concrete keep a lot of water when the rain. We're gonna take all that water out and I choose to put a drain right there on the middle to take the water out of the driveway. Like you said, they rain day before and the water stay on the concrete slab. I mean, you don't see no water on my tile, on my pavers. It's very important. Latest thing when you do that project, uh, the first thing is see the material you like. You know that material. You see the color. It's no clean 100%. We want to clean later and put a seal, which is gonna be beautiful when it's done. But you see the color is going with the house. It's very close to the house, and it's this is the color the client choose, and we work with them. Now here is the garage. Okay, with this part here, we working that they got the curbs go down, which is like I say, this is like 8,000 square foot of pavers. But here already we did the cuts as long of the garage. It's very important, when you choose the when you go do that project, because here in Florida, it's very hot when you work in pavers like this. Winter time, I try to put it or push all my project to the winter time after September, October, December, November, December, even January, because the summertime is very tough working in this condition. Okay, right now here you see I am square with the garage. Okay, this tile over there, which do the border, is a square with the garage. Look the cuts, the small cuts coming all the square. You see, as long as the garage. Already you see the car already. The customer car went in there already. They try the pavers, but this paver is so strong that you can land the plane on the top of that. One of the things that in the is laid properly and the things is good quality, you can land, like I said, land the plane on that paver. Look at that cuts there. Look at that 49 90 degree. Look at that other cut there. You see, custom cut is that cut is make it one by one, and then like you see, it's high quality custom quality cuts and goes long. And now here is the other line which making my square there, and you see the tire keeping the same size. We got the same size. You see that? They go the body go square with the house. That is what you have control of the get the square of the house, and then you do the pavers, and you make a cut outside, which that no matter how the cut is gonna be outside, because always the driveway move that curb like this one over here. They got big curb down, and then this is me there try to fix the drain. This is the drain we want to put it on the middle of there. It's already the hole is already open for that. The level is it's already there. It's only install the drain and the water go be out the house. This is like we start. You see this the square. You see the beautiful tile. The color is beautiful. Once is clean and sealed, this is a beautiful choice for any driveway. Subscribe to my channel. I go give more of that video This is my phone number. Call me if you have any question. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you.